Hello from Hengehold Trucks. This right here is a 2020 Ford F350 with 132,494 miles. What's that, you say? How could this truck possibly have 132,000 miles on it and look like that? Well, the previous owner babied it like a newborn panda. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a Harbor 9-foot utility body with tall center cover, top opening boxes, a forklift loadable materials rack, and more. Businesses have counted on Hengehold Trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.